everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I want to share with you all an unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton Twilly Bandeau scarf. This was an Xmas holiday special Bandeau, so I'm super excited that I was able to get my hands on it and wanted to go on here and share it with you all real quick. So let's get right into the video and let's get started. So if you didn't know, I'm from the LA area, so I was in Rodeo and finally stopped by the Louis store and was looking for a nice neutral bandeau actually, because I do love the color pink. And when I was there, I ended up finding the Xmas special Hollywood bandeau, so that is what I'm unboxing with you all today. It was a huge surprise because these are kind of like sold out and they're very rare and hard to find, especially after the holidays. So glad to find it, and so fitting to find it like LA area, and I found the Hollywood Bandeau, so that's what I'm unboxing with you guys. Here is the beautiful packaging that they put it in. It is like one of those kind of drawer boxes, so gorgeous and so pretty. And then this is the bag that it came in, and this was actually the last one in the store at the time. So happy about this. Here she is in this beautiful dust bag. So well packaged and so beautiful. And here is the bandeau. This is literally just so cute. It's like to die for. Look at this adorable bear with this pink scarf in the little pink Barbie Hollywood car. So cute. And then like the LV in cursive right there. Monogram all throughout. It has the adorable Vivian logo all throughout as well. And then you see the Hollywood writing right there. So cute. And then the other side, more Vivian, and the little bear right here with like a street sign behind it. Just so cute and so fun. Like, what an adorable take on Hollywood in this bandeau. And like, seriously, the bear is just so cute. I also had my eye on the panda one because pandas are my favorite animal, but this bear is just too adorable to pass up. It was the only one. I mean, these are so rare and hard to find. If you guys search this up online now, people are reselling these for like triple the price. So this price was $210, very similar to all the bandeau pricing there. So very worth it in my opinion, especially with resellers getting crazy and selling them for 600 bucks or 500 bucks. So absolutely love this. And bandeaus, if you're not familiar, you can, wear them as a scarf on your neck and tie it in a little bow, or more commonly on your bags, because this one's a little like loud. I don't know exactly how well this would go with like an outfit, but it definitely could be done. And even in the pictures online, they have a model showing it worn kind of like this on the side. So maybe with a white shirt or something, but this is a little loud for me. But I do plan to wear it on one of my bags. And I also have seen them wrap these around like the wrist and, kind of tie a bow there. Also kind of feel like that's one of those things for like modeling purposes. And I haven't really seen people wear that like that every day. But yeah, for sure for this holiday edition one, it's very much like a collector's item. As you can tell, these are going for a crazy price online now since they're becoming so rare. So another thing is, I don't have my Louis bag right now, but this one's right in front of me. So this one's perfect example because this is such a huge top handle, but you kind of wrap it around like so. I'm not going to do the full thing, but you kind of get what I'm saying. Wrap it around all the way, and then have these the little bear come out in the front, and then the Vivian come out over here. Isn't that so cute? I love that. I don't know if you all wear like different brands bandeaus on different bags, but if you do, let me know like what you think about that, or if you just keep them all like the same brand on the same bags, because like this kind of is cute with this really like simple plain black bag. So let me know what you guys think. And last thing I wanted to point out was these cute little perfume samples that she threw in the bag for me. So cute. I definitely saw videos of people like online questioning like what kind of samples you can get in store. But yeah, she did just throw in these 3 like perfume samples in here. So that was really sweet. I don't think that, it depends on the person. I don't think that they always do that, but that was really nice of her. And yeah, like all the bandeaus are 100% silk, I believe. So just quality material. And honestly, I feel like the bandeaus are such a great bang for your buck, because for what the brand sells, like for 210 bucks versus, you know, they're selling their bags for like 2,000 to 5,000 bucks sometimes. Like, so these bandeaus are actually a great bang for your buck at a lot of luxury houses. So definitely, if you weren't considering one, I'd recommend it. I'm really happy I found this, and it was such a great, like, lucky thing that happened to me. So that's all I pretty much had for you guys today. I just wanted to show you all a quick unboxing of this new limited edition Bandeau. Let me know what you all think, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please press subscribe. That really helps me out. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I do lots of different hauls and reviews and unboxings. So yeah, thanks again for watching, everyone. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!